ああ、so cool! タカさん大好きです。
We've been waiting for the millions of years for this primer footmark, right?
は
So,
いはいはい。
should I open it? Should I open it?
Yes!
Okay.
Oh, yes, baby,
Wait,
yes!
baby. So, this one is my address.
Show your address in the
No,
video.
I don't have any
And tell
friends.
people, tell people. Tell people to send gifts to your address.
So, all right, today we are gonna open this primer footmark, and Manet, you have many difficulties to get this primer footmark because you're living in India.
Yes.
India, America.
Yeah, India, yes.
America, India.
Yeah, America. In America, it was kind of easy, but right now I'm actually not in America. I'm right now in India, so it's very hard to supply it in India.
So do you have any friends who likes one ok rock around you?
Yes, of course.
Like at your school?
Course.
Really? High school?
Yeah.
At your high school?
I actually made them into one ok rock fan.
Where did you meet them? At high school?
I actually met them in my school. I actually told them have you seen this band? And they're like, what band? And then I just showed them Clock Strikes and showed them live performance of One Ok Rock, and they were like, oh my god, it's so cool. You gotta keep it.
Really? You're super nice One Ok Rock fan in India.
Hi guys, hi.
So
Hi.
I can't wait to open this primer footmark.
Me too.
So
Blood is
how can I?
popping up.
So should I open it? Oh, this one.
So cool! タカさん大好きです。
This is from the acoustic concert which happened this summer.
Yeah, I've seen it. That was so
It
cool.
was when was that? A half a year ago.
I guess 4 months ago, I think. 5 months ago.
Hey, time flies.
In my in my veins. I can't just say,
Wait,
it's so
this
cool.
is so clear black and
Yeah, so cool. I love it already.
my fingerprint is not good for this book, so
大丈夫です。
just a sec.
大丈夫。
Oh, this one. Woo!
Cool. Yeah, かっこいいですね。Colors are so good. The colors are so good.
So good. What song is he
So good.
singing? Renegades?
I think he's singing Karasu. Karasu ですね、Karasu.
Because when he's singing Renegades, he was standing and crying at this video. Hi.
Oh,
Hey.
かっこいい。
Sure this dude. Toru senpai.
His hands are so beautiful. Hands are so beautiful.
This one.
I love it. I love the hands.
And
Hands are so beautiful. I mean, it's Tenchi desu.
this is so many pages, so let's see. Oh, real.
ちゃん大好き。
Oh, the
もやちゃん。
Taka. Ooh, so cool.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
So cool.
what-
I think this is from that TMB Live. Remember
the
the
Korea-
TMB Live concert?
China, right?
Yeah, the China concert,
yeah.
the China
I
that they
remember.
did virtually and through the app.
What song are they singing? Wasted Nights and what else?
Yeah, Wasted Nights, VR,
VR.
Renegades, and Yeah, VR2 and Renegades 2. They were all actually acoustic version.
Yeah, the Western Nights was so wonderful that I remember.
Yeah.
Oh, hey. Oh, he's so cool.
かっこいいです。赤ちゃんかっこいい。赤ちゃんかっこいいです。You can hear my voice is cracking because I have like so much excitement.
It's okay. It's alright. It's alright.
ああ、好きですね。赤ちゃん好きです。
I really
ドル
like
ちゃん好きです。
this t-shirt.
They're all looking so cool in their hats. They should wear it more often. They should actually wear it in live concert.
He has this big instrument.
かっこいいです。
You remember? This super big instrument
Yeah,
that
they.
Ryota was playing.
Yeah, super big. Ah, so cool. Taka-chan is playing it.
Oh, I didn't
Kaっこいいで
notice.
すね。
He's playing this super big
Yeah, he's
bass.
playing it. So cool.
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, actually, do you notice instrument is actually a lot bigger in height than Taka-chan?
It's taller than Taka-chan. Ooh. Look at this one.
Oh, so cool.
What's this?
He looks so cool. It's an effect. It's an effect. VFX, I think.
This reminds me of at the beginning of
I think they were
at the
singing
beginning
First Love.
of
First Love by
2018 Tokyo Dome taking off. It was like this. Do you remember?
Taking off.
Do you
Yes,
remember?
yeah. You're so right. And I think he was singing Hikaru Utada First Love, like in this.
And this. How?
So cool. I love
How many
it.
pages
It's so
does
cool.
this have? So many pages. And then where the fuck?
Yeah.
There's so many.
Nante, new song this. I think, yeah. Is there any photo of their new song?
New song. Let me check.
Yeah, I thought I saw like they were working in the studio. Hi.
This one. Working on
Yeah.
what song?
Oh, I think this was. Yeah, this is so cool. I really want to see the new next album. I can't wait. So cool.
Oh, so that's why.
So
New song
cool.
is coming up really soon.
Yeah.
Ooh. So you know what?
I think this album, this Primal Footmark theme was basically about day to night acoustics for a concert.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay.
That's it for this video, guys.
You're super right, YouTuber. ありがとう、マネちゃん。
僕は YouTuber
マネ
です。
ちゃんありがとう。マネちゃんありがとう。
ありがとうでした。
じゃあね。
Thank you.
That's it
じゃあね
for
で
this
す。
episode.
So cool.
Okay.
Done? Is it done?
Done.